Hello everyone, this is MTL Jack. Today I'm changing the rear struts on the trunk for this RX7 FD. So basically I got the kit from Rockauto. The brand is FCS Auto. Those are the cheapest you can get. I think it's like 10 bucks each. They resemble a lot to the OEM one. This is an OEM one, but they're not OEM. So you'll see that the bracket is a bit different, probably made to be universal. What came with the kit did not really fit this part here, and it sucked. So what I did, I got a M6 about 16 millimeter length, and then I put some washers, M6 washers. So these are around, like, I would say 10 millimeter. And then inside here, the white part is a kind of like a M6 thread cap, or bolt cap. So this way it will move around. I'm gonna spray some WD-40. So this is just to put it like this, so it doesn't move or anything. But you'll need this. You'll need it to be a bit flexible like this. You see, it will need a bit of play, because even the OEM one, it has tons of play. Even if it was brand new, it's to allow the strut to properly move itself. But you see here, this part here, well, basically you don't have to remove this part here. The easy way, it's not to start from here, but to actually use vice grips and then unthread the core of the strut first, and then this way you'll have tons of spaces. I did that on this side already. As you can see, this is a clip-on rear strut, and then there's two 12 millimeters down there that you might have to adjust the height. And then I did the same thing here, M6 threaded bolt with two washers, and that's how I'm doing it. And yeah, these were $20 budget rear struts, but at least it works, and hopefully it's gonna help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and maybe subscribe for more RX7 tips. I just got this car, and there's a lot of DIYs to be done on this car. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.